Hi, welcome back. This is Mr. Villares. Today we will be learning about equality of polynomials. What do you mean by equality of polynomials? Equality of polynomials states that if a polynomial function is equal to another polynomial function, then that means all the coefficients of your p of x with corresponding variables with the same exponent as q of x are equal. So that means if I have p of x equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, and q of x is equal to ex squared plus fx plus g. These two are said to be equal in equality of polynomials if and only if the corresponding variables with the same exponent have the same coefficients, which means that a is equal to e, b is equal to f, and c is equal to g. Okay, let's take this simple example. Let's say your polynomial function is 4x squared plus 5x minus 1, and that is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So what are the values of ax plus, or what are the values of a, b, and c? So we're asked to solve for a, b, and c. So just remember that to solve this kind of problem, all you have to do is to look for the same variable with the same exponent, and then equate these terms. So which means that I will have first 4x squared is equal to ax squared. I can cancel out x squared and x squared, leaving me a is equal to 4. That's the first one. Now how do you solve for b? For the second equation, variable, all you have to do is to equate 5x equal to bx. We can cancel again x and x, giving us b equal to 5. And lastly, the constant is equal to the variable c, since c has no any variable also. So therefore negative 1 is equal to c, which means that c is equal to negative 1. So in order for these two polynomials to be equal, the coefficients of your variables with the same exponent should also be equal. Now let's have another example. 5x squared minus 7x plus 3 is equal to a times the product of x minus 1 and x minus 2 plus b times x minus 1 plus c. Now our target is to solve the value of a, b, and c. So how do you solve the value of a, b, and c? Using the equality of polynomial theorem. So in order to find the corresponding variables and exponent, we have to expand the right hand side. So we have to expand this. A, when you do FOIL method, you will get x squared minus 3x plus 2, and then plus b times x minus 1 plus c. Now we're not done yet, because this expression is not equal to just this expression. Remember, this whole thing is equal to this whole thing. So we have to simplify this further. In order to simplify that further, distribute the value of a, ax squared minus 3ax plus 2a plus bx minus b plus c. Observe that x squared here is equal to the expression x squared here, we can say that a is equal to 5. So you have now the value of a. Now our problem is the value of b. In order to solve for the value of b, we continue to simplify this. That means ax squared. Then we have to combine the ones with x. Negative 3a x plus bx. Then combine all the ones with no variable. So we have actually formed 3 groupings. First is just a squared. Next is with the variable x. And the last one with no variable. The first group is equal to 5x squared, which is ax squared. The second group with x is equal to 7x, and the last group is equal to the constant 3. So we have to equate them. 5x squared is equal to ax squared, which means a is equal to 5, which confirms our answer. Second, we equate the ones that have the same color, which means they have the same variable. So 7x is equal to 3ax negative 3ax plus bx. So how do you solve the value of a or b here? Now, since all of the term have x, then we can cancel x. Okay, leaving you with negative 7 is equal to negative 3a plus b. But we know already what is a. We know that a is equal to 5. So therefore, we can have 7 negative 3 times 5 plus b. And this will give us negative 7 minus 15 plus b. b is equal to 8. And the last one is to combine all the constants. So that means 3 is equal to 2a minus b plus c. Remember that we have the values of a and b already. So that's 2 times 5 minus 8 plus c. Therefore, you can have 3 is equal to 10 minus 8 plus c. Simplifying, that will be 2 plus c. Therefore, c is equal to 1. So there you go. These are the values of your a, b, and c. So I hope you understand how to use equality of polynomials to determine missing coefficients of your polynomial. See you in the next video. Bye.